was not a living man. It was a shell in the laydown yard. Because there is one thing missing from Genesis 1. That he breathed into his nostrils and woke him up. It's powerful, son. I've never seen it, because chapter 2 verse 1, it says, and what was finished was heaven and earth. That's it. There was a man that he just created in the laydown yard, and that he required a break before he went and breathed into the image